the cruise in the Walmart, I found a Lost Origin ETB. Let's open it up. Normally these are like $50 at Walmart, which is, I believe, is suggested list price. But today it was on sale for those TikTok prices for this one. So I picked it up. Whoops! So we have our book. Set that over here. Sorry. Let's open it up. Get our divider out. I can't remember if this one has 8 or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our code card. Our dividers. Our energy cards. Our dice. Our V-Star. Our coins. No foil card in this one. That's okay. Let's see what we can get here. Fire! Boom. Pikachu. Jinx. Litwick. Oddish. The Love Disc. Panic Mask, and wah, wah. Ooh, fighting. Lake. Lemeon. Hollywag, Oddish, Growlithe, Licky Tongue, and wah, wah. I don't think I've ever seen that one before. I've never seen it before. I don't know if it's, maybe it's rare. I know. Don't laugh at me. Oh, electricity. Porygon 2. Hollings. Hollywag. Gligar. Goomy. Noel. Growlithe is reverse, and oh, check out the Drapion. Very cool. Oh, I know I don't have that card in my collection. Grass. Machoke. Fontina. Gift Energy. Slugma. Clefairy. Is it Apom? Apom. Spinark. Litwick. Oh, wow. Check him out. Chandelure. Oh man, and Goodra. Unfortunately, I do not know what the chase card is in Lost Origin. Ooh, Iron Chain. Machoke, Slugma, Clefairy, Rosella, Porygon, Inkay, Orsia's reverse, and wah, wah. Ooh, Wada. Loft City. Carblink. Rosella. Rockruff. Seal. Trumpet. Machamp. Gumi and Rodham. I probably have like 8 of these. Second from last pack. What am I doing? Psych. Panic Mask. Lip Bug. Paris. Okay. Alright. Very cool. Alright. Aerodacity. Rainbow. That is a cool card. Definitely on top of the pile. Fire! Horton. Pikachu. Pentrump. Sudowoodo. Love Disc. A reverse and Magna Cargo. He's just a regular one too. He's not even shiny. Well, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.